Hey guys, so I just wanted to revisit this from the other week because I know that it sort of went under the rug and we didn't really address how to solve this problem. Now, essentially, there was no wrong answer here. All you needed to do was plug in, which means put in all of your own numbers and come up with a solution. So I'm going to go through and show you what I might have done. So as we can see, actually all of them only involve addition and subtraction. There's no multiplication here. So that might be why we found it quite hard, because we didn't really know what to do first. Now, there are brackets. So inside the brackets, I'm actually just going to put the number 5, and then I'm just going to put the number, oopsies, 10. Okay, so in my head, I already know that that makes 15. Now I've got to take away, add, and take away before I get to my answer. But because they go minus plus minus, they're actually equal, so it just goes from left to right. So I need to think, well, 15 take away 3 is 12, plus 10 is 22, take away 2 is 20. So guys, that's all you needed to do, was just work from left to right and do the sum in your head and with the baby steps. So you take away a number, then you add a number, and then you take away a number again. So let's just double check that I'm correct. So inside my brackets, I make the number 15. Then I need to take away 3. That gives me 12. Then I need to add 10. That gets me to 22. And then I'm stuck with 22, and I need to take away 2. And that gets me my 20, which is my answer. Okay, so that's how I work that out. I work from left to right when I'm doing the minus and the addition. Okay, let's do the second one, because that's got brackets in a different position. So that might change our numbers. I'm going to use different numbers anyway. I'm still going to do my brackets first, because I know that you have to do your brackets first, and I'm going to do something a bit harder this time. I'm going to do 20 plus 10, so I'm going to turn it into 30. Now, see how there's a bracket, there's a minus before the bracket. Now that means I have to minus whatever is in here from the numbers. So my numbers on the left-hand side need to add up to more than 30, because otherwise I'm going to get into negative numbers. Okay, that's me problem solving. So that's what I know I have to do. So inside my bracket, it adds up to 30. So all of my numbers on the left-hand side need to make more than 30. So I might do 15 plus 15 plus 20. Okay, so I do my bracket, which is 30. Now I'm going to rewrite my sum. 30 plus 20 take away 30. So what's 50 take away 30? 20. And that's my answer. I actually got the same answer this time, but I didn't even mean to. That's all. That's all I wanted to show you today.